Good morning, FastCap. We're here in production. I've got vacuuming this week, and I noticed yesterday that we had magnets in these lovely little tubes to help us vacuum up. Well, it was picking up all the metal pieces and it was getting clogged. So we came up with an improvement, which I'll show you here. We removed the magnets and we added Holy Wrap. So now instead of everything magnetizing, it wraps all the way around this little pole here, and no metal shavings will get caught in the tubes anymore, so no more plugging.
Okay, FastCap. So me and Jen are over here with the production vacuum over here, and Jen found something. Jen, what'd you find?
Well, I found that when I went to put these hose extenders back, all I have to hold them on here is this piece of FastWrap, which when I put the FastWrap on, this extender, it's not very secure and it slides down, so then it's going to drag on the floor.
So what we did was we put Kaizen foam here and we cut it indent so that it secures very much to this handle here, and now all the extensions just sit in there. It has a spot to go and it won't hit the floor and it knows where to go, and that's on each side, and there you go.
Good morning, FastCap. This is Jen. I'm over here at the production vacuum on aisle 7, and I just wanted to show you what I've done here with the vacuum, improving a further improvement. So we have this little holder that holds the tube in place, and I've added a yellow arrow pointing down and a yellow cap showing which side the yellow goes to, and that fits perfectly. The arrow is so that you know which side fits into this spot, because the top of the tube is wider in diameter and won't fit over here. Yellow goes to yellow, and then on the other side it's red, and red goes to red. Arrow pointing down makes it Pokayoke. So there you go. Thanks.
On the production vacuum, it has this nice piece of foam here, and this piece of foam holds all the vacuum attachments and keeps them organized, but the foam's just zip tied to the pipe, and over time it's torn the foam a little bit with the zip ties, and so the foam's sagging down, this attachment's falling off. So just took a small piece of OSB, metal tapping screw right into the pipe, holds the foam up. Now it sits nice and level and everything stays on it.